Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. Today in this video, we will introduce Microsoft Outlook, its purpose and how to set it up. Outlook is where you stay on top of your life. It's where you can connect your email and calendar accounts so you can view them in one place. It's how to stay organized with folders, filters and sweep, so you stay focused. Write an email with smart assistance from Microsoft Editor, or use Copilot to draft one, and to catch up on long threads so you always know what's going on. And when you want to share a file, attach it from OneDrive without leaving your inbox. A powerful calendar manages your day with all your calendars in the same spot. Find me times that work for you and your team. And when you're not at your desk, keep going on the mobile app. It's where your emails and calendars come together so you can stay focused and get things done with Outlook. Now we will cover how to set up the app and add an Outlook or an Office 365 account. Open Outlook. Clicks the Outlook icon and sign in. Enter your email address in the box and clicks Connect. Then enter the password in the password field and black dots appear to protect security. Click Sign in and the account setup is complete. Need another account? Let's start. Select File, Add Account. Enter your credential and there you go, account added. Let's add a Gmail account now. Select File, then Add Account again. Enter your Gmail credential in the box, then press Connect. It will load another screen where we need to select OK. Outlook will open the Gmail portal. Now that you're connected to Google, enter your Gmail address again. Select Next and add your Gmail password and press Sign in. Check the statement and select Allow. After you select Done, you'll need to restart Outlook and your Gmail account is now linked and added in Microsoft Outlook. All done. There you go. Follow us for more and write in the comments for any requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.